Okay. This is my Allis Chalmers lawnmower. Got a 42-inch deck. Nice tires. Gas cap. Nice seat. Nice steering wheel. The deck's not adjusted, I don't think. And it's got 23 horse extended life series. It needs an oil change, as far as I can tell. New battery. Oh God, kitty! No, don't do that. Yeah, there we go. Got hydrostatic drive. Need to get a clip for this stupid thing. Just shut the hood. It's an AC130, 23 horsepower. And it's honestly a good little mower. It was made in 09. I got it last year. And we've had it ever since. Alright guys.